Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. And we're going to talk about Gucci this time. So I went to the Auckland Gucci store and I picked up a belt and a scarf. So I'm going to unbox them now. As you can see, the box is green, so it's not something that it's not the usual packaging that we're used to. This is kind of new to me. So we've got brown packaging, we've got brown sort of linen looking dust bag. I'm used to the white satin looking dust bags. So yeah, but it still looks okay. They look nice. So I got the belt here. So it's just a traditional blue and red web kind of red stripe belt, canvas with blue leather trim. Yep, so it's a navy blue, and then it's like 4 centimeter wide. That's the measurement. And then the hardware is silver and it's palladium-toned. And as you can see, the Gucci buckle is just the usual interlocking GG logo, but it's kind of flat. So I really like this design. It's not sort of tacky looking, but it's gonna match, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna match so many outfits. So this belt is made in Italy, and it retails here in New Zealand. It retails for $565. So that's approximately 480. Yeah, 480 maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah. So the other item that I bought, this is something that I'm really obsessed with. So it's a scarf, and it's in a green box again. So yeah, it's probably been a year since the last time I bought something from Gucci. So this is the first time I've seen the green packaging situation. So yeah. So I bought a wool scarf. So it's called the GG Jacquard wool silk scarf. So it's wrapped in brown paper with the sales associates business card. So obviously it's blue and red. And it's got, it's predominantly blue on the other side, and then red on the reverse side. And then it does have kind of like a fringy looking edges. And then in terms of measurements, it's 35 centimeters wide, and the length is 180 centimeters. So it's called the GG Jacquard wool silk scarf because it's 91% wool and it's 9% silk, and it's also made in Italy. So if you're gonna have a look at this scarf, obviously it's gonna look really good. It's gonna go with a lot of outfits because of the the dual color, and as you can see, it's got some oversized GG logos. And that's what it looks like with the model wearing it. So it's gonna be perfect for the winter because of the material. It's like almost pure wool. Here in New Zealand it retails for $750. So that's roughly 650 US dollars. And then the sales associate actually gave us a hack, like a tip, to sort of maintain the edges, the fringy edges. So she said we can use a clear nail polish to maintain to keep the edges intact. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna follow her advice, but yeah. And that's it. Very quick unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.